Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do this challenge, you guys. I'm gonna do an aloe vera challenge with aloe vera juice. So I'm kind of doing a shortcut because I just can't be like cutting that aloe vera up like all the time. So we're gonna do aloe vera juice for 7 days, y'all.
Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when I have more videos. Follow me on Instagram at Chablee Hair Journey, and my jewelry line is chablee.com.
See, my hair is a hot mess. It's dry, a little hard. So today we're gonna measure it, and then for 7 days straight, we're gonna see those results. And to see, is it best to do aloe vera juice than the aloe vera plant itself? Because all that draining and, filtering it out and all that stuff, like this is so much easier. So let's see, watch this whole video all the way through. And no, this video is not sponsored, you guys.
All right, I'm ready to make my aloe vera juice cocktail with a little bit of coconut oil and avocado oil. Right, it looks good, just gotta shake it up. And I put in this amazing spray bottle, and I'm just gonna start spraying my hair from roots to tips all over. It's a nice mist spray, so it should spread easily.
So now that I apply all the aloe vera juice, you guys, in my hair, like it's not much left at all. I'm still spraying it in. I'm gonna place a plastic bag over my hair, and then I'm gonna wait for at least an hour and a half and rinse it out, and then place a conditioner in my hair. So no shampoo, because I don't want to completely dry out my hair. So I'm so excited to finally do this challenge. I know it's gonna be good outcomes. So you see that? It's really wet.
All right, let's take this cap off. Let's rinse it. Don't mind my face. I have a facial scrub on my face. So let me just rinse this out. I'm rinsing out with room temperature water, but I love giving myself a nice scalp massage because that will stimulate blood flow for new hair growth. I always hold my hair on the edges so it doesn't pull too hard, and I always brush it when it's wet and has a lot of slip from conditioner. And that is my shedding. I don't really shed that much, so that's a good thing.
Alright, got my measuring tape, y'all. Couldn't find the cloth one, but you see this is my scalp, this is my hair, no extensions. This is the wrong one, you guys, but I just couldn't find my other one, so. Uh, 19 and a half, I guess. It was kind of like right in here.
So I'm going to braid it up and do a protected hairstyle.
Alright, so now it's finally day 2 to do the aloe vera juice in my hair. So I just kept this all day yesterday like this, and the braids are still wet and moist. So I'm just, instead of like washing it and having a wet head all over again all night, because I don't want to get a cold, I'm just going to spray the aloe vera juice and then lightly rinse off from the tips, but not really the scalp. So day 2, y'all. Oh, yeah, that's my other video back there, edge control. That is bomb. Like that edge control, I need to put on my edges now, but it works really, really good. All right, so now we're at day 3. We made it day 3. This is Shakai. As you saw, Shaddai is asleep right now. So I was like, let me hurry up and do this video before, you know, it gets dark outside. So right now I'm just feeling my hair and it just feels very hard on the ends, only on the ends for some reason. So I'm gonna apply my shaving butter on the ends. So I'm just gonna apply that on the ends before I apply the aloe vera juice. So I'm just gonna put a big clumps, you know, about maybe 3 inches of my hair. Got the aloe vera juice mixed with a little bit of the oil. Just gonna shake that up and start applying to the hair. This spray bottle, y'all, is the business. It just so nice. So day 4, you guys, now it's time for me to put more aloe vera juice in my hair. As you see, it's very dry and hard. I took it out of its braids, took it out of its little bonnet, and I'm just doing a whatever day today. So I just praying that this aloe vera juice is going to work, because so far I'm not getting really good soft results. My hair feels very hard, very dry, and I'm like, do I still have to keep applying shaving butter on the ends? I'm just hoping that it's really growing. Something is happening, you know, because people are making such a big deal of it on YouTube and TikTok. So I was like, let me try it out. I was gonna just do 5 days or 3 days, but I was like, no, let's just try to do the 7-day. To be honest with you guys, I don't feel like it's cut out for my hair, but I'm giving my fingers crossed. Whew. All right, day 5 has finally arrived. All right, so it's time to apply more aloe vera juice, y'all, in the hair with the spray bottle, and going to rinse it out and completely wash my hair today. Hopefully that would help. So let's see, let's get to it. Day 7, I will measure it, you know. See, it's very crunchy. Day 5. The 6th day is here, y'all. 6th day of doing the aloe vera juice in my hair. This is hard for me, you know. This ain't an easy challenge. It really sucks to wet your hair and do all this stuff 7 days in a row. So now I'm finally at the 6th day. Now, I wasn't consistent of washing. You know, some days I didn't wash it out and some days I did. So this is like my, I want to say my 3rd wash day and my 6th day applying the aloe vera juice in my hair just to clear the air of that. Let's see. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. So counting today will be my 3rd wash day. You know, feels moist. It smells. It definitely has a smell. It feels a lot softer, but maybe because it's moist. The tips are still a little bit hard. It's actually kind of easy for me to finger tangle right now, but something else. So just gonna keep applying the aloe vera juice in there. Today I'm just going to rinse it. But if I get hair growth, y'all, shoot, this is something I will be definitely be doing more frequently, no matter how much I don't enjoy videotaping and setting up every day. Like, it's a lot of work. But if I can get the hair results, then it's all worth it. Did it, y'all. We did the 7-day challenge. Whatever. All right, so for the last day, tips are extremely dry and hard. Over it. It's super light, really hard. It changed color. It's like I got highlights on my hair. Look at that. Straight different color. That's what happens with aloe vera juice, for real, y'all. My hair just straight turns red. All right, I have the measuring tape. Just want to spray. I sprayed it earlier, but I want to spray some more for you guys to see. And it was on this side. We're going to measure the hair and see if this challenge was worth it or not. Or we were just wasting time. Like extremely dirty and over it. Or it's growing and it's like the blood is stimulating my scalp. Like, I do feel that. I'm going to show this the best way I can. Sorry, y'all. I didn't go out and buy my soft. Okay, I lost the hair again. Okay. It's a 20. Oh. It's a 21. I'll take that. Cool. This is the aloe vera juice challenge. I know you guys are tired of me saying that over and over each day. I'm talking about aloe vera juice. But this is the 7th day, so now I have to say bye. And I really hope you enjoyed this challenge. I need to know your guys' feedback. Did you get, was your hair hard and crunchy the 3rd day like mine? Did you get double the hair growth than I did? I need to know, like, for real. Leave it in my Instagram DMs, leave it in my comments. I want to know, y'all, because I just need to know. Subscribe right there. Smash that subscribe button. I highly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my channel, y'all. Peace, love.